What if the money you held in your digital wallet wasn't real money? What if it was just numbers on a screen, devoid of any true value or backing? It's a question that might keep some of us up at night, especially with the explosion of digital payment platforms and cryptocurrencies. Today, we're diving into a fascinating corner of this digital finance world, Beam Wallet. Is the money in Beam Wallet truly real? Let's peel back the layers and understand what's actually going on. First, it's crucial to distinguish between different types of digital money. On one hand, you have traditional fiat currency, like your Nigerian naira or US dollars, held digitally in a bank account or a payment app like PayPal. This money is real in the sense that it's issued and regulated by central banks and governments. Then there's cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, which operates on decentralized blockchain networks. Its value is derived from supply and demand, and its security from cryptographic principles. So, where does Beam Wallet fit into this? There are actually a few different entities that share the Beam name, and understanding them is key. One prominent Beam wallet is associated with the Beam cryptocurrency network. This Beam is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency built on the Mimblewimble protocol. What does that mean? It means transactions on the Beam blockchain are designed to be confidential and secure, hiding details like the sender, receiver, and amount. In this context, the money in your Beam wallet refers to $BEAM tokens. These are native crypto assets used within the Beam network to pay for transactions, interact with smart contracts, and even participate in the governance of the Beam DAO, decentralized autonomous organization. So, if you're holding $BEAM tokens in a Beam wallet, which offers dedicated desktop, mobile, and web wallets, you're holding a legitimate cryptocurrency with its own inherent value determined by the market. It's as real as any other cryptocurrency in the market. Its value fluctuates based on market dynamics, just like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Then there's another entity, often simply referred to as Beam Wallet, which functions as a mobile payment application for everyday transactions. This Beam Wallet aims to unite digital payments, consumer experience, and retail marketing. It allows users to make contactless payments at physical and online stores, often leveraging NFC technology. Crucially, this Beam wallet often boasts features like cashback in real money, not inflated points. This suggests that when you're using this Beam wallet, you're likely linking it to your existing debit or credit cards, or perhaps a balance held within the app that is backed by traditional fiat currency. In this case, the money is indeed real in the sense that it's ultimately tied to your bank account or a regulated financial system. It's essentially a convenient digital interface for your existing fiat money. It's vital to clarify which Beam wallet you're referring to, as their underlying mechanisms and the reality of their money differ. If it's the privacy-focused cryptocurrency, then its reality is as a decentralized digital asset. If it's the payment app for retail, then its reality is as a facilitator for your existing fiat currency. Both versions of Beam Wallet, the crypto and the payment app, emphasize security. The crypto wallet uses advanced cryptographic techniques and protocols like Mimblewimble and Lelantis for privacy and security. The payment app often highlights features like biometric authentication and end-to-end encryption. However, like any digital platform, user vigilance is key. Strong passwords, two-factor authentication, and being wary of phishing attempts are always crucial. When you ask, is Beam Wallet money real, the answer is nuanced, but ultimately, yes, in both interpretations. The $BEAM cryptocurrency is a real, tradable digital asset with market value. The Beam payment application facilitates the use of your existing, real-world money in a convenient digital format. The confusion often stems from the shared name, so always look for context. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.